Welcome to your ultimate pit stop, Piston Pundit, where we delve into the nitty-gritty of the automotive world. Today, we're shifting gears to discuss a surprising trend. The EV market isn't just slowing down, it's actually reversing. Recent data shows a 15% dip in EV sales in Q1 2024 compared to Q4 2023. Even the YoY growth is at a record low 2.6%. So, what's driving this downturn? Let's peel back the hood and examine the 9 truths about falling EV sales that manufacturers would rather keep under wraps. Truth number 9. The early adopters wave has crested. The EV market has been riding high on a wave of impressive growth, with year-over-year growth changes often exceeding 90%. But now, the market has hit a speed bump. The surge was largely fueled by EV enthusiasts and affluent households who were willing to buy an EV regardless of the cost or practicality. However, even in America, the pool of wealthy households isn't bottomless. Now, the middle class is expected to take up the mantle of electrification, but the transition isn't going smoothly. This demographic has different considerations when buying a new vehicle, and from their vantage point, EVs still don't make the cut for several reasons. They're opting for gas-powered cars or hybrids, which are cheaper, more practical, and ultimately easier to live with. Truth number 8. EVs aren't meeting buyer expectations. Over the past few years, we've witnessed a significant technological leap in electric vehicles. They've improved considerably and have become more affordable. However, they still fall short of meeting the average customer's expectations. A recent survey by Boston Consulting Group revealed that potential EV buyers are looking for a 350-mile range, 20-minute charging time, and a price tag under $50,000. Currently, only one variant of the Hyundai Ioniq 6 meets these criteria. The rest of the market still has room for improvement in these areas, indicating that EV technology has not yet matured enough to become the primary mode of transportation. Truth number 7. The high cost of going electric. As we've touched on, electric cars are either expensive or underwhelming. Sure, you can find a relatively affordable EV, but it's likely to fall short in terms of range, charging speed, or overall quality. High-performing EVs, on the other hand, come with a hefty price tag, significantly higher than their gas-powered counterparts. Various sources peg the average purchase price for EVs between $55,000 and $60,000 last year. Despite recent discounts, EVs still cost more than gas-powered cars, which average around $48,000. Even hybrids are cheaper on average and offer more convenience due to the absence of range and charging anxiety, as well as better overall reliability scores. Truth number 6. The buyer's remorse effect. Ever experienced that sinking feeling when you buy something, say a TV, only to see its price drop significantly a few months later? That's buyer's remorse, and it's currently plaguing the EV market. With EV makers offering hefty discounts, many buyers feel they've overpaid, while potential buyers hesitate, fearing their EV will depreciate with each new discount. Add to this the rapid pace of technological advancement in the EV industry. Today's technology could become outdated in a few years, as charging speeds improve and ranges extend. So why pay a premium for a car that will soon be outdated and lose value? Many potential EV buyers prefer to wait until the technology matures and develops at a steadier pace. Before we delve deeper, do us a favor and smash that like and subscribe button. This helps us reach more auto enthusiasts just like you. Now let's shift gears and steer towards our next point. Truth number 5. Rapid depreciation. Did you know that an all-electric Porsche Taycan lost $100,000 of its value within 4 years? That's right. Electric cars depreciate at an alarmingly fast rate, significantly higher than gas-powered cars. Massive discounts, rapid obsolescence, and high running costs, think high insurance costs, low reliability ratings, and expensive repairs, all contribute to this depreciation. In fact, electric cars lose half of their value in just 5 years. In comparison, gas-powered cars lose around 37% of their value over the same period. while hybrids and pickup trucks retain their value even better. Given these factors, buying an EV doesn't seem like a sound investment at the moment. Truth number 4. The range and charging conundrum. The EV industry is grappling with range and charging anxiety. Electric cars have made strides in recent years, with many boasting a single charge range of over 300 miles. However, this falls short of the 600-plus miles that gas-powered cars can achieve on a single tank. In essence, while EVs are perfect for daily commuting, they fall short when it comes to long-distance travel, necessitating more frequent and time-consuming stops for charging. This brings us to another EV-related concern: charging. The charging infrastructure is still far from perfect. In fact, it's woefully inadequate in some parts of America. Even in more developed states like California, the situation is less than ideal. Public charging stations are often overcrowded, and chargers have proven to be unreliable, with numerous instances of failed charging attempts. Truth number 3. The reliability paradox. Initially, it was assumed that electric cars, with their fewer parts, would be more reliable than gas-powered vehicles. However, a recent Consumer Reports survey, encompassing over 330,000 vehicles manufactured between 2000 and 2024, revealed that electric cars cause 80% more problems than their gas-powered counterparts. Despite having fewer parts, the complexity of EVs, coupled with the nascent state of the technology, means that even minor errors can immobilize the vehicle. This has been the experience of many owners of the new Chevy Blazer EV, who have reported battery issues, software glitches, and a general lack of build quality among their grievances. Truth number 2. The hidden costs of ownership. EV manufacturers often highlight the low running costs of their vehicles as a major selling point. They emphasize the reduced likelihood of breakdowns and the absence of regular maintenance like oil changes. However, the reality is that EVs can be more costly to run than their gas-powered counterparts. Recharging at public stations isn't cheap, and while EVs don't require oil changes, their increased weight leads to more frequent tire replacements. Additionally, their lower reliability rating and the high cost of repairs, due to a shortage of trained professionals, add to the expenses. Insurance premiums for EVs are also higher, partly because even minor collisions can result in costly repairs, leading insurers to often write off the vehicle. Truth number 1. The electric pickup letdown. In North America, the dream of full electrification is closely tied to electric pickups. Trucks are a key segment here, and our brief stint with EVs suggests that a major shift towards electrification in this sector is unlikely in the near future. Why? Electric pickups have proven to be a letdown. The issue lies in their work capabilities. Electric pickups lag behind their ICE counterparts in max towing ratings. But the real challenge is the battery and its limited durability under heavy use. Consider a recent Motor Trend test, where an all-electric F-150 Lightning was tested with 3 different trailers, weighing between 3,000 and 7,200 pounds. The results were startling. The claimed max range of around 280 miles plummeted dramatically when towing. Even the lightest trailer drained the battery after just 115 miles. Heavier trailers fared worse, with the heaviest one managing no more than 90 miles. It's clear then that electric pickups are unlikely to dominate the segment anytime soon. Thanks for tuning in to Piston Pundit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay in the loop with the latest vehicle updates and upcoming videos. See you next time.